Hi everyone, my name is Chiara and today we're going to learn 5 basic greetings in Japanese. One of the most common mistakes when going to Japan is to use the word konnichiwa, which means hello, refer to everyone for everything. When meeting someone, when leaving someone, everything. However, Japanese is a very peculiar language as there is a strong difference of expressions and behaviors based on how well you know a person and his or her seniority level. So before we begin, just a little disclaimer. We won't have time today to cover all of these greetings and expressions, so we're just gonna focus on the 5 basic greetings you can use to say good morning or good evening to someone. Let's begin with one of the most used expressions, and that is Ohayo gozaimasu. Be careful, OU it's read like a long O, Ohayo gozaimasu. The U at the end, you don't really read that. So, this is a formal expression to say good morning. You will have to use it with people you don't really know, or for example, if you're in a working environment, you have to use it with your colleagues and especially with your bosses, with your superior. If you meet your boss in the street in the morning, you would definitely need to say Ohayo gozaimasu. The informal way to say good morning is just Ohayo. You can use it with your friends, with your family, with someone you know well. I have often also heard it used towards kids. Say good evening, there is actually not a distinction between formal and informal. You can just say konbanwa. However, notice that some group of friends or people close between each other, when meeting in the evening, they usually do not say konbanwa because even if it's a neutral expression, it might sound a little bit stiff. In that case, you can just stick with konnichiwa as the most neutral yet hanging towards casual way to say hello. When you leave and you want to say goodbye, the official expression is sayonara. It's very neutral though, and notice that many people actually don't use it that much. Especially if you're in a group of friends, you would rarely say sayonara. You would rather say some more casual expressions like bye-bye, which is the Japanization of the English bye-bye, or mata ne, ja ne, and all of these small casual way of sayings that are more, let's say, that are warmer than sayonara. Last, final expression is when you say good night. Now, again, we like some distinction between formal and informal. We have a more elegant, polite way of saying good night, and that is oyasumi nasai. Or if you use it in a more informal way, you can just say oyasumi. So, this is it for today. These were our 5 basic greetings expression in Japanese. I hope you found this video useful and see you next time with more learning videos. Ja ne, mata ne!